I will say brunch. A little late for breakfast in the day. But you know, in my kitchen it could be breakfast all day. You never know. So this is my special today. It's butter beans and pinto beans stewed in a little coconut sauce. We have mushroom. We have my homemade pan bake or bread. You could call it bread, you could call it bake, but it's seasoned with herbs and Mama Coco's special seasoning. I have my salad here, baby dandelion with cherry tomatoes, and we have grilled chicken thighs. What do you think, my people? Would you like some of this? I think you guys would. The taste is in the tasting. Boom. Peace.